some iPhone system services to toggle off. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device and let's navigate to the system services. In order to do that, scroll down, tap on the Privacy and Security. From there, tap on the Locations. Then scroll down till the bottom and tap on System Services. From here, you can see a long list of system services option available there. And let's start with toggling off the first one. The first one is Alert and Shortcut Automations. So the first thing is GPS is one of the most thing that drains your battery. So alerts and shortcut automation uses the GPS. So simply toggle it off to save your battery on your iPhone. On next we have Apple Pay Merchant and Identification. In it, you can uniquely identify your business as a merchant able to enable payments or accept payments. This ID never expires and you can use it multiple websites and apps. So this is also not unnecessary for an iPhone user. It is best for privacy, but you can simply toggle it off if you are not using it. Now, on third, we have Call Network Search. It is a location-based service that sends your location information and the tower aids of the network towers within a range of and thus detected by your phone. So you can simply turn off your network search on iPhone because you don't need to be on unless you are traveling to a different countries. So after you toggle it off, there is compass calibration. So basically, it uses location data to calibrate the compass. You can simply turn it off if you don't rely on the compass app on your iPhone. After you toggle off compass calibration, you have device management option available there. It lets you securely and wirelessly configure devices by sending profiles and commands to the device, whether they are owned by the user or your organization. You can simply turn it off. Turning off it on an iPhone involves removing any installed configuration profiles or mobile device management profiles that have been set up on this device. These profiles are often used by companies, schools, or organizations to manage and control devices remotely. So if you are not using any companies or organization, then you can simply toggle it off to save your batteries. Then we have emergency call and SOS. So what it does is automatically call emergency services when you press the side button multiple times or hold down the side button and a volume button simultaneously. But this one simply tracks your locations and all. By adjusting or turning off this, you can reduce the chances of accidentally calling emergency services while still maintaining some level of safety. So now the other one is HomeKit. HomeKit is Apple's smart home platform that allows you to control a variety of smart home devices directly from your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or Mac. So if you don't have any of them or if you're not using any of them, then you can simply toggle it off. After that, we have motion calibration and distance. It is used by fitness or activity apps to track activity accurately. So you can simply turn off it. If you are not using it for any fitness purposes, you can easily toggle it off. After that, we have networking wireless. So networking wireless in iPhone tracks Wi-Fi usage and sends data to Apple. So you can simply toggle it off because it just drains your battery and is non-use in your iPhone. Then another one is setting time zone. It is an area which observes a uniform standard time for legal, commercial, and social purposes. So you can simply toggle it off if you are not traveling or anything. Then the other one is Share My Location. You can easily toggle off the Share My Location option because it uses unnecessarily your location for different apps you have installed. If you toggle it off, then it will help you save your batteries as well. Lastly, we have Suggestions and Search on iPhone. It offers suggestions based on your app uses and updates results as you type. You can simply toggle it off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.